sneak kind of love that's so deep. I'm freak kind of lover. Ooh.
What's up, y'all? I'm Khadijah Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys like 4 hairstyles that you can do with beautiful gorgeous hair like this. This hair is from Niawigs. It is their 13x4 curly lace front wig. The density I believe is 150, and this hair is Remy hair. So just a little bit more about the hair before I get into the styles. It's bomb. I mean, it's really soft. All I did to style it is just I spray it with water every day. I put like a little bit conditioner in it to help make the curls pop, but honestly I just use my spray bottle, spray it down with water, and then brush it through with my detangling brush, and it dries and it just comes out looking so good. It doesn't take long to dry either, so this hair looks super natural. If you're looking for, you know, some cute hair, cute curly hair for the summer and you don't want it to be long, you're looking for something short, you know, because it be hot this summer. It's been hot. So if you know, want some curly hair but you want it to be short, this unit is super bomb. So with that being said, let's get into the styles. So honestly, right now this is a style within itself. Like, I didn't part it, you know, no middle part, no side part. I didn't do any type of parting. I just brushed it back while it was wet and let it dry like this, and I think this looks really nice, you know, just, you know, just a look. And as I said, you can, you know, part it down the middle if you would want. Get you a middle part going, do a side part, have it going to the side, you know what I'm saying? But I want to do some more styles where it's like, you know, adding some more to it, because these are some basic styles that you would do. So let's hop into some more styles. So basically for the next style, you'll need like 2 bobby pins, and all I'm gonna do is like pinch like a little section right here. Just kind of do it with my fingers. I don't want it to be super big, but just like pinch a good amount up. I think that's pretty good. Just gathering it right here in the middle. And all I'm gonna do is take my bobby pin, pin it. And then with the other one, I'm gonna do like a little crisscross to make sure it stays. And then there's that. For the next one, I wanna do a bun. And I can put it in a bun. So we're gonna do a bun, and it's gonna be similar to this. So I'm just gonna take a good section in the middle. Kind of start twisting this. Start forming the bun. And right now I just have a bobby pin, but you can use a hair tie just to lock it in place. Yep, that looks good. And this is just like effortless. It's not to make it like, you know, a super sleek bun or nothing. This is just like throwing it up out your way. So got the nice big bun on top. Fluff the curls out, make the hair real big. So now I've just pulled out some pieces in the front. I hope these are gonna sit right. And I'm gonna take like a bigger section of the hair. Like it's more like, you know, all of this pulled back too, instead of just a little section in the top. I'm gonna take a big, well, basically a half up, half down. Yeah, actually I don't even have a hair tie. Let me get one. And with this, I can do a bun, something thrown up just with the pieces out, or bring it on down into a ponytail. Just fluff it up, make it real spicy. Oh yes, I like this. Y'all, this wig shape is making me want to cut my natural hair again. Like, so I think we're gonna go ahead and do one more. And I think I want to do like, show you guys like a braid or something. So let's see what your girl come up with. And we're gonna go ahead and do like a side part. Flip this over as best as we can, because it hasn't been styled this way. But because it hasn't been styled this way, it's giving it a lot of volume. So we're gonna have some big hair. and I love it. I really can't braid, but let me try. Like, y'all, my braids under my wigs be atrocious. Like, I really don't know how to braid, but I get it pretty flat, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, the braid thing ain't working out for me, so let's come up with something new. I have an idea. I got some clips, whatever clips you like, and still we're gonna rock with the same side part type of look. So basically with just like the fourth look, just, you know, add accessories, accessorize your look. So that pretty much sums up this video. Be sure to check out the description box for all of the links to this wig and all of the details on it. Let me know if you guys like the hair, which style was your favorite. And shout out to Niawigs once again for sending me this wig to share with you all. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to your girl if you haven't already, and turn on your post notification so you will be instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on this channel. With all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.